Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet 6500A series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 6500A support. Best result should come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet 6500A E-on-1 printer series. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to go down and select software and drivers. And then expanding underneath driver product installation software, there should be an HP OfficeJet all-in-one full feature software and driver package in here. Go ahead and select the download for that. Appeared there might have been a version released 2 days between each other on the previous screen, but it looked like it was the same file actually. It was the same size, but at least at the time of this recording, they can release further updates down the road if it's a supported printer. And just go ahead and open up that file. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then you just want to proceed with the on-screen steps here of getting your printer configured for your device. You go ahead and customize different software selections depending on your preference and what exactly you're looking for out of your printer. If you want to install additional optional software like product improvements, the help guide, HP update for different HP software that may be installed in your computer, that sort of thing. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.